Hi guys, welcome back for another video. Today I'm going to do an unboxing. It is going to be of the February Beautiful Fight box, subscription box. And for those of you guys who don't know, I am now designing a subscription box called the Beautiful Fight, and it is a non-profit organization that gives back. So 10% of every box that is purchased or subscribed to will go to a different organization every month. It's packed full of 5 to 6 beautiful items, goodies, chocolates, pens, a lot of different variations. It really depends what we decide on for that month. So it is a faith-based women's subscription box. So if you guys love this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned for what's inside. So this is also going to be a giveaway. I know, spoiler alert, but I just couldn't wait to show you guys what was inside. The February box subscription signups are now over, so we are opening it up for March box. So if you guys are interested, I will have a 40% off discount code for your first box. So I have to take a break every now and then to talk because I'm running out of breath. I'm currently 37 weeks pregnant and should be giving birth in 2 more weeks, C-section. So I'm feeling very pregnant, heavy, could barely talk right now. So bear with me. Ta-da! This sign right here, it says, "There is no beauty in the finest cloth. It makes hunger and unhappiness," by Gandhi. And that's a little info card. If you take that off, there's info on a certain product in here, and it also comes with a gold clip, and I'll show you what it pairs with. First thing I see, I am making or designing calendar cards every month, so these are supposed to pair with a clipboard. This is from the January box, and because this is a giveaway, I'm going to include a clipboard. Whoever wins this box, this February box, will have the clipboard, so that if you do decide to subscribe, it's supposed to purposely hold the monthly calendars that I make, and you can display it on your desk, in your windowsill, whatever. This month's quote is, "Above all, clothe yourself with love," Colossians 3:14. So February is a month of love, which it matches, and it's in gold. And on the back is the info card. It just has welcome, hashtags just for you to post your box on Instagram or Facebook. Hashtag Beautiful Fight Box has a thank you. And it has our info down below, and on this side will be the cause of the month. Like I said, every month will be a different cause. Last month was for She Rescue. This month is the Genesis Project, which is based out in Seattle, and they exist to offer hope for a new life to young women leaving commercial sexual exploitation. So 10% of the proceeds of every box for this month will go to the Genesis Project Seattle. So the next item I see is wrapped in bubble wrap right here, and it is this really pretty pink, I believe it's wood. It's this, I forgot what they're called, but this was actually made in Kenya, and it's just like a little dish that you can put on your desk, in your bathroom, anywhere you want. That's why we paired it with this arrow clip. So if you want to put it on your desk, you can put your little clips in here, your jewelry, your lipstick, chapstick. I would put my chapstick and my necessities on here and put it on my desk. The Little Market, and they are a fair trade shop with handmade products. So like I said, this was made in Kenya, and they were handmade by thousands of individual artisans around the world. We search for artisans for the most rural and disadvantaged communities. The Little Market connects with them, provide resources such as family health care, access to education, and so much more. And the next 3 items I see are 3-piece chocolate, mini chocolate bars right here by JCOCO, and this is based in Seattle. 3 different flavors in here. One is Noble Dark, 72% dark chocolate with cocoa nibs. This red one is Arabica Espresso and 60% dark chocolate. And this purple one, this one is delicious, Black Fig Pistachio. These are also products that give back to the community, the JCOCO. And their mission is to give back to the community. So every time you purchase JCOCO, they give a fresh, healthy serving of food to someone who would go without it otherwise. These are non-GMO, vegan, and gluten-free chocolate. So I hope the lucky winner is excited about this, as I was test trying these out for you guys. They're delicious. Next item is in this little baggie right here. So this is the Thistle Farm Love Heals Lip Smoothie, and it's in grape. And it's ultra hydrating and made with natural oils and butter. Another item, it also includes a Be Brave pen. This is a beautiful fight pen. If you guys are interested in buying more of these for your friends as a bundle, I will have a link down below to the beautiful fight shop where you can purchase more of these. But it's just a click fine tip pen in black ink with gold accents. And it says Be Brave. So the second to last item would be this bag, but let me show you what is wrapped around this bag. It's this little, what would you call it, ornament. On one side it says peace and the other says yes. This was handmade by the She Rescue Home ladies. She Rescue Home was our cause of the month last month. She Rescue Home is a home for young women who were victimized in human trafficking, prostitution, slavery, and this is a very special ornament that they have made, and it includes in this February box. So thank you, She Rescue Home, for this beautiful little trinket or ornament. You can even attach it to this tote bag. This one says packed with love. We have another one that says lots of love, so different bags will go to different people. We don't really pick and choose who gets one, but both are really cute. I would definitely use this for my lunchbox. You know, if I was traveling with my kids, I would definitely put their lunch or my lunch or our lunch in here. And this was also handmade. The Little Market, they both provided us with this tote bag and the hearts, so they're the same organization. So thank you, the Little Market. It's very sturdy. I can't remember, I think it's made out of hemp or some really sturdy cord, but I can barely sew. So imagine these amazing group of people hand making these for a bunch of people, especially for us. Thank you. So that was it for this unboxing, and like I said, it is a giveaway. To enter this giveaway, please thumbs up this video, like my post, comment below on your favorite. What do you like to receive, or what would you like to receive on Valentine's Day? I have received in the past, and I just found it so fun, was like a spa day and some chocolate to get my hair done. I got a package once where I got my hair done and my nails done and a massage at the same time. That was probably the best mommy day of my life. Let me know down below what you guys would like to receive or have received in the past and really enjoyed. So this giveaway will end next Monday, the day after my birthday, so the 12th. I'll choose a winner that day and message you guys. So stay tuned, and I hope you guys have a great day and a great Valentine's Day. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.